So what are we doing tomorrow? What am I streaming tomorrow? I'm gonna give you some choices here. I'm gonna give you a few choices. The choices are the Chronicles of Riddick, the remake one, the one that was on PS3. Don't stream ever again. Oh. Okay, man. I'm sorry. Okay, dude. Whatever. That got to me. That's getting to me. I'm sorry, dude. Shit. I'm just kidding.
Next question.
Name something you see a lot in Kansas. Kansas. We're not in Kansas anymore. No, Toto, no. My pretty. If I only had a brain. Tornado.
So hot air balloons, you fill them with air and they go up into the sky.
Yeah, and then you eat all the passengers to stay alive.
Okay, cool.
Oh,
no, I understand.
I mean, like in a video game, like in one of those video games where you eat. What's a video game where you eat stuff when you're on traveling? Do you know any idea?
No.
Okay. No, that's just when you fly around.
Oregon Trail.
Yeah. Except that was you drive on. You're in on an Oregon on the trail. So yeah, that's You know, I eat. That's cannibal. That's fucking disgusting. Why would I ever? Canoe.
Where's that answer?
Okay.
Correct.
We got a number one. What's an inexpensive boat?
There are no strikes on the board.
A sailboat. Sailboats are like insanely expensive. A toy boat.
Is it on the board?
Toy boat. 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 You try that.
Come, then I'll come. Then I'll come for me rain. Pour me rain, then come. Pour me put. Then I'll rain. Come.
No, I gotta get out of here. I have to leave now. I have to leave now.
Unless somebody does something real dumb. Like that guy. The guy that you just watched. Yeah, like, dude, you and me get it. We get it. Like, we're the only two that aren't gonna qualify. We'll just be a fruit salad together. Is this guy disconnected? Oh, he's back. How is this still possible? Why is it still going? Wait, I just have to beat the pineapple guy? You're throwing for views. No, I got trapped in that windmill. I could have made it. I just was sitting there talking to the pineapple guy and he freaked out. You know what probably happened? The guy was probably sleeping in his chair with his pretzels on his crotch and he was just hanging out, just stoned. And when I grabbed him, his controller vibrated and he freaked out. What happened? Whoa. Oh, shit. There's just drool. Just all over the side of his mouth. And embarrassingly, he looks over and there's a puddle of just wetness right next to his head, and he just fucking puts a blanket on it. I don't want anyone to see that. It's embarrassing.
Give the best answer and take charge of the board. Buzz in to answer.
Let's go.
Here's the question. Name something a person might do if they were having a hard time waking up in the morning. What do you have for me?
Set an alarm. Set an alarm. We get this. Set on fire. Set aflame. What? Set alarm. What? This is fucking throwing me off.
Are you in labor? Well, you don't need to worry anymore.
Oh, get away from me.
I've been doing this for 50 years, and you're lucky, because today is an after-school sale. Come on now.
No, that's not what I...
What the fuck is going on?
Okay, everyone. I'm proud of all of you. All the babies are healthy and well. You're still
Is this what it sounds like? I feel like I make this noise. I feel like I do this when I talk sometimes. Is this what it sounds like?
You didn't really have a baby, did you? Well, get up now and help us out.
I don't. Stop!
Don't give it to them. Don't give it to them. They want that. That's what they want. That's what they're all just sitting there waiting for it. I'm not gonna give it to you. I'm gonna be I'm mad. No, I'm not.
You know, we shouldn't even by rights, we shouldn't even be friends. I'm a New York Yankees guy.
Oh!
You're a Boston Red Sox.
What?
Yep.
I can't believe you just fucking said that.
I know. The truth is, though, I don't really care. But I was told I was a Yankees fan when I was a child, and
I was told I was a Yankees fan.
yeah, I was told that I was, and I've watched a couple games here and there. So I'm supposed to be angry at you according to the laws of thermodynamics.
Well, I mean that's okay. There's no being a Yankee fan. I mean, you obviously this is something wrong with you, but
Right, of course there is.
I mean,
yes.
if you go to the doctor and you tell the doctor first of all when they do a physical exam, one of the first things they have to ask you is, "Oh, come on in here. So, still baseball fan?" Yeah, I am. Yankees, Red Sox, which one? Because it's very important. You're like Yankees. Oh, okay. So you get a CT scan for that.
Yeah.
They gotta like check your whole body and make sure that there's not like any, like an ulcer or something. Like that's could be what's causing it. Name a famous Jesse. Jesse. Was that show famous? Jesse. What's his name? Jesse. Oh no! Jesse Chang.
Someone just said, Vinny, I'm getting sick. I'm sorry, chat member. You didn't deserve that. How much vomit particulates do you believe are floating around at any given moment?
Well, I'll be completely honest. There's at least a few dozen here because when you said you were a Yankees fan, I threw up into my glass. So.
Oh, good point. That's good.
That did happen.
How did you feel about? How are you? I don't know. I don't remember if we talked about this when we were in Boston. But are you a big enough baseball fan to have really felt like a dopamine hit when they won?
No. Because I took the ultimate drug in 2004.
Jesus.
Yeah, I found Jesus.
Give me that tail! Oh, come on! No! No, it's us! It's us! Fuck! This game's so hard. Nah, that was my fucking teammate. My fucking teammates couldn't do anything. They fucking weren't grabbing tails and everything. I had a tail for like 10 seconds. None of my fucking teammates had a tail for more than fucking 1 second, dude.
No, this looks like the taxi driver from the Muppets.
We're gonna form.
Don't make fun of my face ever again.
Whoa!
All right, so now we're friends. That was a friend punch. So get your hat. You look like Solid Snake. We are your family.
According to women, what is the most beautiful thing you have?
What do you mean you have? What do you mean you have? Like me?
You're in a hurry.
You have. Kids.
I like that answer. Let's check the board.
Kids.
That's
Number one.
number
The most beautiful thing that
one
you have
answer.
are kids.
It's your choice.
I mean, I was gonna say
You want to play or
Okay.
pass?
2018 Lamborghini Porsche. That thing's fucking. That's a beautiful car.
You'll let the other family.
There's a lot of people that go to Vegas all the time. People have said already that, hey, I'm going to be in Vegas. I'm going to be in Vegas. I'm going to be in Vegas. So if you end up just seeing me somewhere, do not hesitate to just say hello. It's not going to bother me. Don't worry about that. I was there in September, but I didn't see him. What if I try to bother you? Well, then I will get security. They're everywhere. I will just go, excuse me, sir, this person's trying to bother me. What do you mean he hates us? Somebody just said, what if I was trying to bother you? What does that mean? What does that mean? That means you're trying to bother me. Shouldn't I like be like, hey, security? I don't know, what does that even mean? Psycho streamer throws fans out from the strip. Well, if you're gonna be like a dick and not like leave me alone and be like mean and like do fucking awful shit and say awful, I'm gonna be like, get away from me. Like, oh, get the fuck out of here. What do you want me to do? What? That's like a basic human thing. If somebody walked up to you and was like grabbing you and like fucking screaming in your face and like peeking from behind corners and like you hiding from you, looking at you and being like, yeah, I'm coming for you. You don't think you'd be like, can somebody help me here, please? I guess like we just get to take this guy. I think maybe we can sell him somewhere.
Pretty sure we can do that. Yeah, let's do that.
No, I dropped him. I dropped him in the water, and that's you have to bring him to the iPhone store. The water damage is like you just can't fucking recover it. Oh shit!
Proprietary.
I just got disconnected. Fucking plum. No, 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 no. Yes. Muscles? No, skin. Teeth. Did we do teeth? Well, beautiful. You have beautiful teeth.
Show me the answer.
What?
The board has it. Only one answer
You got beautiful teething ring. That's considered jewelry. What's the last one? Oh wow, I really like that. Your molars are coming in really good, Nancy. Rock out! Come on, give me some points!
Oh! No! I'm never gonna win. You can't win. There's no winning in this game.
Me?
Yeah, like somebody saying that they said you don't eat on stream, but like you ate a shitload of taquitos when you were shit-faced or something.
What?
Is that what it... Oh, they're talking about me. That me, okay. Oh, me.
And you don't remember this?
No, what?
I
When
guess
did I
that's,
eat?
yeah, you were shit-faced.
When did I eat taquito? What the fuck are you guys talking about?
I ate testiculitos. V-Dub gave me some.
What?
Yeah, but that's a long story.
What the fuck?
I have a rival as a pro Call of Duty player named V-Dub, and he's got a thing called testiculitos. It's really, yeah.
That's all I heard. I couldn't even hear the words. I just heard.
All right.
That's like Peter Griffin. I'm stopping doing that. Anytime you go like that's Peter Griffin doing a funny song. I can't do that.
Eat all the smoke. You better help put it out with your joke.
Get the fuck out of my way!
Then I'll come heavy for me rain. Word to the right, word to the right. Then I'll come heavy for me. Then I'll come push button and go word.
He's like, he needs to eat some fucking vegetables. Alright, where we going?
I don't know. Do you want to kill some things?
Yeah, let's go. Okay, in the context of this video game, yes. Is out of context. Hey, you want to go kill some stuff? Yeah!
Yeah, we don't want to do that. Well, okay, here's what we could do. We could go
I want to go
through,
run over some rabbits. Don't want to see a naked grandma. What? Why is... What is that? Thank you, Adventure MF Dan, for the 10 community subs.
Name something a burglar would not want to see when he breaks into a house. Rob.
Naked grandma!
Naked, huh?
Oh, it's...
I don't want to see that either. I know you're right, okay? Nobody wants to see a naked grandma, but what are the chances of you breaking in the house and running up into your grandmama naked? Looking for a naked grandmama in the house, outside, in the woods, on the blanket. Name something a burglar would not want to see when he breaks into a house. Rob.
Accidentally pressed B.
Name something a burglar would not want to see when he breaks into a house. Rob.
Naked. 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 This video's locked. Nick, sorry. Naked.
skip it, please. I can't. See? I told you. I opened the tray on purpose. Because I wanted to be right. What's up? Oh, a bird! What? It's in the room. Alright, that was fucking not even funny. Why did I do that?
I have, yeah. Well, I mean, I remember the one time I was in Texas, in Galveston, there was a butterfly room in some place, and I went in there for a bit. I don't know why I'm telling you this, but yes.
Well, I mean, it's important because the bird room, the butterfly room is like the bird room 0.5. But the scary part about the butterfly room is, aren't you just terrified of just being in there because there's just butterflies in every direction? They're above you, they're below you, they're left and right. I feel like I'm just gonna like Godzilla stomp on one of them.
Yeah, like
I hate
devastate one, right?
Mm-hmm.
Or breathe one in. Maybe not that.
Breathe one in, like through your nose into your lungs.
Yeah.
You should have just had an emulator. Illegal. Quick, do something funny. What? All right, fine. I can't. Quick, hurry and do something funny. Oh, I'm sitting here tied to the chair. I'm taped down. Quick, do something funny. If your funny meter drops below fucking 25%, man, I'm dead. Sorry, dude.
We got a murder trophy. I guess that means we're bad.
Yeah, I was wondering why. Are you looking? Okay, are you a good guy or are you a bad guy in these games?
I'm more or less a good guy online, though I've done some horrendously questionable things. How about you?
I'm always a good guy, like no matter what. So any opportunity that presents itself, I always do the right thing.
Okay.
So is that going to be a problem for this stream? I'm not sure.
We may have some disagreements. I fed someone to an alligator.
Just doing a good deed over here. Hold on.
Okay. I see this good deed. I hear gunshot. Okay, that's a good deed.
Yeah, just trying to do good deeds over here. We got naked grandma one more time. Okay.
Name something a burglar would not want to see when he breaks into a house. Rob.
Naked grandma!
One more. I think we got to get one more of those.
Name something a burglar would not want to see when he breaks into a house. Rob. Name something a burglar would not want to see when he breaks into a house. Rob. Name something a burglar would not want to see when he breaks into a house. Rob. Name something a burglar would not want to see when he breaks into a house. Rob.
Naked grandma!
Naked, huh?
I don't want to see that either.
I know you're right, okay? Nobody wants to see a naked grandma. What are the chances of you breaking in the house and running up into your grandmama naked? Looking for a naked grandmama in the house, outside, in the woods, on the blanket.
That was so loud. All right, one more. One more, that's it.
Name something a burglar would not want to see when he breaks into a house. Rob.
Naked grandma!
All right, I got it. I'm good. It's out of my system. Hey, that's the end of the stream. All right, okay, all right, I'll do it again. One more, and then we're out.
Name something a burglar would not want to see when he breaks into a house. Rob.
Naked grandma!
Name. Name. Name some. Name something. Name something a burglar would not want to see when he breaks into a house. Right.
All right. Have a good one.
And until then, I'm gonna go kill a couple dudes, and then you know we'll be in touch. We'll meet somewhere in the middle.
Yeah.
So
fuck
take
yeah.
care, Jerma.
Yeah. See you later, guys. Take care.
Bye.
I wanted to fucking play with the multiplayer. I wanted to play multiplayer. Oh, I was keeping it so collected the whole time. I just wanted to play multiplayer with my friend. Tears are fucking pouring down my face. You know how hard it is to contain yourself? Ay, 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 ay. Let's go.
Is this penis music? I hate that I get it now. Like, you know what I'm saying? I hate that I get it. Like, oh, yeah, penis music. I'm not supposed to get that.
Name the noisiest room in the house. The kitchen. Kitchen, like ding, 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 ding. Kitchen.
Well, I had to do that because I don't have toothpaste. I don't brush my teeth with toothpaste. I don't even have a toothbrush. So. I have a teething stick. You know, like your dog chews on like bone. I just chew on a teething bone. And then I hold my mouth open in the shower, just like this, with my teeth out, and just have it spray my fucking face really hard. I just like, I chew on a bone. You've turned the key here, and now I'm angry. I'm angry with you. I'm angry with you. What do you care? There's not 100 points on the board. I thought it was they survey 100 people. Top 6 out of 100. Oh, right. Because, like, I know what happened here. Because this is the last one, no matter.
It's time for Family Feud. Two families are... This is the first round.
Yeah, that's right. They wouldn't have the single answers up there because it would
The
be
game
like
can't
naked
start
feet. Yeah,
until
you're
I
right.
get two players up here with me.
Because somebody would just, they'd go up to
Six
somebody.
answers are
Oh,
on the
excuse me,
board.
sir. What's your favorite
best
kind of
answer gives
kind of
you
soup? Yes, you signed the
control
paper.
of the
You are
board.
one of the
Buzz
100
in
people.
to answer.
Yeah.
Okay, we're looking for cream
We
of
asked
something.
100 people.
He grabs a fucking mic.
something that people have
Shit,
trouble
and then he
opening.
fucking walks away, and they have to use it. I like that song. It's the kind of shit that I sing in the bathtub. I like it.
Okay, that was pretty good. You can go through now.
Okay, gotta move on.
Only 3,000 IQ. That's pretty good. For a god. For a being that is just stepping over every single human bound. You know what I mean? Like I'm boundless in my brain. Hawkeye, thank you, Hawkeye, for the $30, Hawkeye. $30, a little more than an hour ago. They say, hey there, JERMA, work's pretty slow right now, and there's a snowstorm outside, so I decided to pop in and give these that have been meeting to donate. I work pretty late, so I'm resigned to be a slimy VOD boy, but the laughs are always well worth it. See you around. Thank you for the $30, and slimy VOD boy, that's... It's not red on the outside, it's red on the inside. If you smashed me in the head with a mallet, maybe I would open up and be red. Hey, Apple Shift, thanks for the 250. Hey, man, I need to submit my senior quote for the yearbook by the end of November. Can you come up with one for me? Choose wisely. This would be my high school legacy forever. Okay. Use this one. Start the quote. Keep your eyes on the prize. The road to success is always under construction. Pretty fucking goddamn good, if you ask me. Boring, boring. That's what my mother used to say to me. That's a quote from my mother. You gonna make fun of my mother? Are you making fun of my mother, Mrs. Albertson? Huh.
Oh, by the way, why don't we do a quick plug? I want to plug your stream. If anyone wants to see what's going on or do like a multi-stream and watch JERMA stream too.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
You can go to twitch.tv/JERMA.
That's good enough. That's good enough. They'll find me. Sure. Twitch.tv/sure. Yeah, it's JERRHHH. Twitch.tv/
No, because there's numbers, right? At the end?
Yeah, I'm one of those idiots that has numbers. JERMA 985, JERMA 985. And anybody over here that wants to go check out Vinny.
Yeah, you could go to twitch.tv/.
Yeah, there's like 4 H's.
Yeah.